Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set your paper up for your finished artwork. You're going to need ruler, eraser, pencil, tape, possibly. Alright. So I'm going to give everybody a 22 by 18 inch piece of paper. And you're going to want to draw a 1-inch border around the edges. So all I'm going to do is place the end of my ruler up toward the edge of my paper and mark off 1 inch. Then I'm going to slide my ruler up higher and mark off 1 inch from the same side and connect the dots. And this is my left hand border, one border. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on all the other edges, 1 inch from the edge. Okay, then I'm going to divide this into 4-inch squares. So I'm going to mark every 4 inches. I'm going to put the edge of my ruler against the edge of my border and mark every 4 inches. 4, 12, 16. Now, connect the dots. Okay, so we have all 4-inch squares marked off, and we're going to grab our shape and start to place it in these squares. Okay, so now that you've got your grid laid out with 4-inch squares, you need to trace your shape into your grid. So the way we do this is start anywhere you'd like, but when you line your shape up with your grid, you need to line this cut edge up with this side of your square, and you need to line this cut edge up with that side of your square. So you need to position it like that, okay? And then you're going to trace the whole thing. Trace, trace, trace. I've traced it already with pencil. Okay, and in this position, this is my flying horse. So I'm just going to put a little eyeball here to help me understand what creature this is. I'm going to put a little mouth and a nose, and I'm going to label it as the H for horse and upright, because it's not upside down, it's right side up. Alright, then I'm going to rotate this so that it fits together, and this way I'm seeing my fish. So I'm going to trace this, and once again remember to line up the edges, the cut edge of your shape with the drawn edge of your square. Here and here. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little eyeball in there to remind me, and a little mouth to remind me that that is the fish. Then you want to piece it together again, and it's rotated this way. And that is my upright horse. Trace, 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 horse, upright. Piece it together again, and once again it's going to be rotated like that, and that is my fish. So let's review this again. Horse, fish, horse, fish. Oops, sorry. Fish. Okay, now I'm going to piece it together down here. And in this direction, it is upside down horse. Horse. Down arrow, upside down. Upside down fish. Upside down horse. Okay, so I hope you're seeing the pattern here. Now let's fit the next one in here. Right side up horse. Right side up fish. Right side up horse. Right side up fish. Upside down fish. Upside down horse. Upside down fish. Upside down horse. Have a right side up horse. Right side up fish. Right side up horse, and right side up fish. And when you finally finish the pattern, trace it with your Sharpie marker, and then I'll tell you the next step. Okay, so now I want to think of my fish, and I think that I'm also going to make the top of my fish lighter than the bottom of my fish. And one of my reasons for choosing that is because light usually shines down from the top, although you can choose either way. Oops, darn, I shouldn't have done that. Right. Oh, darn. Okay, well.